Looking for the best mirrorless cameras to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Nikon Z50 Mark II. The Nikon Z50 Mark II is a much smaller camera than Nikon's full-frame Z models, but it clearly shares the same design DNA. Despite its small size, this second-generation model in the Z50 line has an improved grip and external controls with a direct access picture control button that's exclusive to this camera. Its EVF is also twice as bright as its predecessor. It shares the same X-Speed 7 processor as cameras higher up the range, which enables the incredibly advanced subject detection of the Z9. And combined with the 1.5x effective focal length enabled by the APS-C sensor makes it particularly ideal for sport and wildlife photographers on a budget. It does lack the IBIS of the full-frame models, but many of the Z-series lenses designed for DX cameras have built-in VR to compensate. Best of all, the Z50 Mark II is a terrific value, especially when bought as a twin-lens kit. This is a great value camera for both beginners and enthusiasts. I hope you like this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Number 2. Nikon Z30. The Nikon Z30 is an impressive entry-level mirrorless camera specifically designed for vloggers and content creators. It features a 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor and offers uncropped 4K video recording, making it a versatile tool for both video and stills. One of the camera's standout features is its compact and lightweight body. Weighing just 350 g, which is perfect for those who need portability without sacrificing quality. For vloggers, the Z30 excels thanks to its fully articulating 3 inches touchscreen, which allows for easy framing, especially in selfie mode. It also includes built-in stereo mics and a 3.5mm microphone port, ensuring you have options for improved audio quality. However, it lacks a headphone socket, which some creators might miss for audio monitoring during shoots. While it's optimized for video, the Z30 still holds its own in photography, offering up to 11 frames per second continuous shooting. However, it does lack an electronic viewfinder and in-body image stabilization, which may be limiting for those looking to use it primarily for stills or in low-light conditions. For creators looking for a budget-friendly option with solid video capabilities, the Nikon Z30 is a compelling choice. Number 3. Nikon D850. Mirrorless camera fans will often complain about the size and weight of DSLRs, and they have a point. The Nikon D850 is a big bruiser of a camera compared to the Nikon Z models, but this size works in your favor if you're shooting with big, heavy lenses, and most prances are big and heavy. This is a handling factor that many mirrorless users don't take into account. Being a DSLR, the D850 has a bright, clear optical viewfinder that many photographers still prefer over a digital display, no matter how good the latter. The D850's 45.7 megapixel sensor produces quite superb image quality, yet it can still maintain a shooting speed of 7 frames per second or 9 frames per second with the optional battery grip. Even without the grip, the D850 has an amazing battery life of 1840 shots, far more than any mirrorless rivals, and it comes with 2 memory card slots. Number 4. Nikon Z8. The Z8 is being pushed by Nikon as a baby Z9 with an almost identical feature set. The only real difference right now is that it has a more compact body and it costs over $1,000 less. There is the option of adding a grip, too, should you need to carry an extra battery and have vertical control buttons. It's capable of 8K 60 frames per second video recording or 8K 30 frames per second with an enormous 2-hour record limit. Nikon decided to remove the mechanical shutter completely, which means the camera is capable of 120 frames per second continuous shooting and has a max shutter speed of 132,000 seconds, which makes it perfect for sport and bird photography. The ferocious autofocus feature has the ability to recognize many things, including human eyes, faces, heads, and the upper body. Overall though, there is literally nothing this camera can't do. It gives you speed, resolution, ruggedness, and video capability in one, and it's cheaper than the Z9. Number 5. Nikon ZF. Don't let its vintage looks deceive you. The Nikon ZF is a fantastic modern digital camera. With its 25-megapixel full-frame sensor and Nikon's cutting-edge XPE7 processor, the ZF offers excellent autofocus and subject tracking as well as solid 4K video performance. I really love the Nikon ZF for its retro design, which is sure to immediately win over any vintage camera enthusiasts. From the moment you lay your hands on this camera, it will trigger a wave of nostalgia for the days of film shooting bygone. The ZF body has a fantastic build quality with more substantial and robust brass dials and a weighty feel reminiscent of the iconic Nikon FM2 that served as its inspiration. There is a lack of own-brand Nikon vintage-style lenses natively for this mount, which limits you to modern-looking Nikon lenses or old Nikon lenses via a mount adapter, which spoils the aesthetic somewhat. However, this shortfall is made up for by many third-party lens makers, offering lenses with manual aperture rings, suiting the ZF perfectly.